You're sitting at your desk, staring at a monitor that could be anywhere, anytime, your trusty IDE ready for coding, or so you think. But today is different. Today, the ground beneath your feet starts shaking. Moonshot AI has just released its Kimi K3 model. This isn't just another update. This is a seismic shift in app development. The Kimi K3 model is not just any large language model. It's a game changer with capabilities that rewrite the rules of what's possible in AI-powered coding. It's like suddenly having X-ray vision for code, spotting bugs before they even happen. This isn't about incremental improvements. The Kimi K3 has redefined the baseline. Its precision and efficiency are setting new benchmarks that every other tool will be measured against. But here's the question: which tools and builders will rise to the top in this new era of AI-driven coding? But here's the part nobody saw coming. That same announcement by Moonshot AI is just the beginning. Because behind them, a whole host of tools and builders are preparing to disrupt the industry. You thought AI was just getting started? You thought you were on top of things? Well, let's put that to the test because OpenAI has dropped a bombshell. GPT 5.6 is here. The Sol, Terra, and Luna models are now live, and they're not your run-of-the-mill upgrades. These ain't just small patches. This is an entire reimagining of what AI can do. The Sol model, with its unparalleled computational power, is set to rewrite the rules of natural language processing. Terra, on the other hand, brings a hefty dose of contextual understanding, making it a powerhouse in conversational AI applications. But here's the kicker. Luna, OpenAI's latest, is more than just another flavor. It promises to be a game changer. With its ability to handle complex tasks and provide nuanced responses, GPT 5.6 isn't just going to sit in the corner. It's going to take the stage as the star of the show. But what does this mean for you? VS Code 1.129 has just introduced a dedicated agent host process and an experimental editor panel within the agent's window. Imagine having these models at your fingertips, seamlessly integrated into your development workflow. The stakes are higher than ever before. Whether you're building apps or deploying complex AI systems, this is no longer about keeping up. This is about leading. But here's a twist. OpenAI isn't just pushing out shiny new toys. They're laying down the gauntlet. Every tool, every update, every single line of code now has to compete with GPT 5.6 and its siblings. Are you ready for that? AI governance takes center stage on today's horizon. Google's Gemini Enterprise has just unveiled its expanded portfolio at Cloud Next, positioning itself as a unified platform for building, orchestrating, and governing AI agents across entire fleets within large organizations. This isn't just another tool. It's a bold move that redefines how we manage the increasingly complex world of AI. But what does this mean for you? For developers like you who are at the forefront of AI-driven coding tools, the stakes are higher than ever. With Gemini Enterprise, Google is not only setting new standards but also signaling a shift towards more regulated and controlled environments, where every AI agent's actions can be monitored, managed, and optimized. Now, consider Walden Robotics. They've just launched out of stealth with $300 million in funding to build and deploy general-purpose robots that continuously learn and improve while performing real work. These aren't just prototypes. They're the future walking into your workspace right now. Imagine a world where AI agents are not only tools but partners, working seamlessly alongside humans in every aspect of app development, from coding to deployment. But with this partnership comes responsibility. Responsibility that Gemini Enterprise is eager to impose and enforce. So, as you sit down to code today, think about the new landscape forming around you. Are you ready for an AI that knows not only what, but also how? Because the future isn't just about more powerful tools. It's about smarter, more controlled AI ecosystems that govern every interaction, ensuring the best outcomes for everyone. But here's the rub. With such power comes scrutiny and oversight. Who will be in charge of these fleets of agents? And whose values will they uphold? But here's what nobody's talking about. Branco's brain-controlled robot AI R&D platform, debuted at WSC 2026, is a wild card that could change everything. What if brain-controlled robots become the norm and AI development takes a backseat to human-robot collaboration? Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, wearing a headset, and you can control an entire fleet of robots with just your thoughts. The Kimi K3 model from Moonshot AI sound impressive, but what if, instead, you could train a robot to perform tasks simply by imagining them? That's the future Branco is betting on. At WSC 2026, Branco unveiled their platform, and the tech world was stunned. It's not just about making robots smarter. It's about integrating human thought directly into the computational loop. This means that developers might no longer be in charge of every detail. They could simply focus on setting goals and letting the brain-controlled robots handle the rest. Think about it. With real-time brain mapping technology, the boundaries between AI development and human-robot interaction blur. You're not just coding, you're co-creating with a living, breathing machine. The implications are staggering. Ethical considerations, new ways of thinking, and perhaps even a shift in how we perceive intelligence itself. But here's the kicker. If this platform catches on, it means that the tools like GPT 5.6 and VS Code 1.129 might not be as central to the future of development as they seem. The power dynamics are shifting away from the keyboard and towards the mind. So, which direction will the industry take? Will AI development become a side hustle in this new age of human-robot collaboration? It's not just about tools anymore. It's about us partnering with machines to solve problems that we couldn't have imagined before. The game is changing, and you're right there at the start line, ready to see how it all unfolds. The dust settles on the latest advancements in AI and robotics, and what becomes crystal clear is that the future of app development is no longer about who's just good. It's about who's truly game-changing. Will Moonshot AI, with its Kimi K3 model, continue to lead the charge? Or maybe OpenAI's powerful new ChatGPT 5 family will surprise everyone with their sheer computational might and versatility. But here's a twist that almost nobody is telling you. Branco, the quiet kid in the corner who just debuted at WSC 2026, is packing some serious innovation. Their integrated brain-robot AI R&D platform isn't just another cool gadget. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. Branco's platform allows for real-time brain-computer interfacing and continuous learning of robots performing complex tasks. Imagine a world where developers don't just code, they command their creations with thought alone. This is no longer science fiction. Branco is making it happen today. But the real question is, does this mean Moonshot AI will be overtaken by Branco's groundbreaking technology? Or could OpenAI's Soul, Terra, and Luna models still shake things up in a way that nobody anticipated? The future of app development isn't just about tools. It's about how we integrate these tools into our lives. The Kimi K3 model might have the power to transform large language models, but Branco's platform is poised to redefine human-AI interaction. You're at a crossroads, faced with an unprecedented acceleration of innovation in AI-powered coding. Moonshot AI's Kimi K3 is rewriting the rules of large language models. OpenAI's GPT 5.6 family is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in natural language processing and code generation. Visual Studio Code 1.129 is revolutionizing your development workflow with new agent capabilities. Google's Gemini Enterprise is setting a new standard for AI governance, enabling large-scale orchestration. Walden Robotics is bringing general-purpose robots to life with continuous learning and real-world application. And Branco has unveiled the world's first integrated brain-to-robot AI platform, bridging human and machine interaction. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about keeping up, it's about leading the charge. The next 12 months will define which builders and tools rise to prominence and which fall by the wayside. Are you ready for the AI revolution that's happening right now? If you want to stay ahead of this, you know what to do. Subscribe now. Because every new video we produce is packed with insights and trends shaping tomorrow's tech world. And in our next episode, we'll dive deep into the top AI-powered tools you need to be using today.